Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to sign in eFootball 2026. To do this, first open your eFootball game. And then tap on Extras. Then go to Support. Next, tap on Link Data. Tap on OK. Now tap on Link Konami ID. Tap on Processed. Now click on second option. Now enter your email ID and password with your Konami ID. Now tap on Login. Now type the two-step verification code from your email and tap on Next. By doing this easy process, you can successfully sign in your eFootball account with Konami ID. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.